written it properly or not. We can predict.
Yeah.
We can predict it, sir.
Yeah. So you say by using applied statistics and data analytics, we can predict the customer's behavior. So what is the advantage of predicting the customer's behavior? In what way I can put it to my use?
Sir, today non-performing assets are growing every year, day by day, every year, sir. So if we come to know the customer's previous credit history, we can give only good loans to them. We can have only good customers. So our NPA will be low and our losses will also be low, sir. By this, we can have a profit also.
Hmm. You have studied applied statistics and all that, and why should you not go for research?
Um, uh, it's I want to be a good in everything what I'm doing. So I'm interested in banking sector, sir. So I want to do banking.
Then why did you not choose BCom, MCom, and like that? Your
So at
father
the
is a
time,
commerce. Your father is a commerce professor. Why did you not study this? And why do you have to come to bank now?
I don't know how to answer this question, sir. Please guide me.
There is no definite answer for this, except that you have to say, I thought there will be good scope for career growth in that, so I chose it. But now I find there are not sufficient career opportunities for this. So I did not. So that's why I'm trying for job in other areas, especially banking. Banking offers excellent career growth
Sir,
because it is growing like that. You can say yes, please.
Okay,
Yes.
Sir,
sir.
Raj Gupta is waiting for the meeting. Is communicating to
Oh,
let him in.
acha, acha. Yeah. Arindam De, Akash, Rajgupta, Manik Simit. They are all coming. Yeah. Okay. Tarun. So this is a really tough question for you. But at least don't tell my father is a commerce professor. Just say he's a teacher or
So,
he's a teacher. You say, then if they ask, you say professor. Then if they ask, I always ask people to answer fully, but in your case, you should not answer it fully.
okay, sir. Okay.
So be
Agree.
careful about that. What is the Reserve Bank of India?
Sir, it is Bankers Bank. It is not Bankers Bank, and it is responsible for circulating money and printing money and fixing repo rates.
Mm,
It is responsible financial inclusion, financial
mm,
in India, sir. Finance in India.
Totally wrong. You have been with me for so many days. You have not grasped the basics of it. Bankers to bank, bankers to government, note issuing authority, foreign exchange control, and monetary policy authority. Why have you
Note it
not
down.
studied the materials given to you? Why did you not watch the videos that are given to you? Please tell me,
Sir, I
Tarun,
just
some current affair news that you are remembering now.
Good evening, sir.
Come on, current affair news that you are remembering.
sir, 41 members are uh, surviving for their life in Ladakh that tunnels.
Pardon?
That one, sir.
Tamil
41 members.
English வருமா வராதா?
சார் வரும் ஆனா எனக்கு நியூஸ் இன்னும் பார்க்கல அதான் எனக்கு தெரியல சார்.
நியூஸ் பேப்பர் படிச்சியா இல்லையா?
சார் இல்ல சார்
படிக்கல. அப்ப how will I select you? Okay. Next, no, I am asking severely like this because that I find uniformly most of you are like this. And this is a routine question they will ask. If you are not able to answer this, you will be giving negative impressions about you and they will give you low marks. Yeah. After Tarun, thank you, Tarun. Thank you. After Tarun, we will go to Sudhin Subhash. Thank you,
Sir,
Sudhin. Yeah. So then, Subhash, you are going for which interview? Which date is your interview? What is your
Sir,
degree?
IDBA.
What is your city?
Sir, I'm going for IDBA interview and it is scheduled 29 November. I'm from Trivandrum, Kerala, and I'm graduate in physics. My pass out year is 2021.
Excellent. Good.
Mm.
Physics.
Yes, sir.
Can you name some important physics scientists in our country now? Or at least tell me the name of people who have been awarded Nobel Prize in physics.
Sir, C.V. Raman is one of the Nobel Prize winner from our country.
I am asking in this year.
Current year. I don't remember the name, sir, but the Nobel Prize was
Doesn't
awarded
matter.
for.
Doesn't matter. What is banking?
Sir, banking.
Okay. What is Boyle's law?
Sir, P is always proportional to V.
What is P?
Sorry, incorrect. P is pressure and V is the volume of the container that containing gas.
So what is the explanation?
Under constant temperature, pressure of a gas system is always proportional to the volume of the container.
See, in the LPG gas cylinder, it is stored in the form of liquid or in the form of gas.
Liquid, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. It
I don't
is
know.
in the name liquid petroleum gas.
Achha. Oh, I don't know actually. What is the chemical formula for that?
Sir, it is, I think, butane, but I'm not sure about it.
Okay.
C4H6, I think.
Oh, good. So you are a native of which place?
Sir, I'm from Kerala, Trivandrum district.
Tell me some important big companies or offices or departments functioning in Trivandrum from
Sir, we have
national angle also besides state
Sir, we
angle.
have Technopark, which is an IT hub. Several multinational IT companies are working there, including Infosys, TCS,
Come on.
and Southern Air Command headquarters is in Trivandrum, Akkulam place. It's about 10 kilometers from city. And recently, Adani Airport, Vizhinjam sorry, sir, airport. It's not airport, it's port. Adani port has been opened at Vizhinjam. It's not yet completely functionally open, but still it's operating. I think these are the main companies and institutions work in Trivandrum so far I know.
Can you tell me about the cooperative bank scam in Kerala?
Yes, sir. Actually, in India, previously all the cooperative banks comes under state list, but recently RBI said all the cooperative banks should be under RBI, but Kerala government filed a case against them. Still, cooperative banks in Kerala comes under Kerala government, whereas outside Kerala it comes under RBI. So there is a case ongoing that says CPM party have made some loan fraud in cooperative bank sector.
In which place that scam happened?
Sir, I don't remember that.
Karavannur.
Kadavannur, yeah, right, sir.
Karavannur. You must tell that correctly. Good. Can you tell the name of the Kerala finance minister?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Can you name the vice president of India?
Jagdeep Dhankar.
Jagdeep Dhankar. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha?
Sir, Vice President of India is the chairman of Rajya Sabha.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Then we will go to Samadhan Sabant. Samadhan Sabant.
Yes, sir.
Samadhan, you are going for which interview, which date, what is your qualification, what is the year in which you passed, and which city are you coming
So
from?
I'm from Maharashtra, Solapur district. I'm going for an interview, Karnataka Bank PO. I did my graduation in agriculture from Niac district.
Okay.
I'm agriculture graduate and I passed out in 2022.
Very good. Can you please tell me why you preferred BSc Agriculture?
There is, I don't have any particular answer, but my seniors, my mentor told me to the agriculture is a good sector of the trades. So I tried.
What is your father?
My father's occupation is farming. So
He is a farmer.
yeah.
Then you could have told that as a reason. My father is a farmer. Then what is he growing? What are the crops grown by him?
We grow sugar and crops.
Very good. So, since my family is agriculture oriented, I thought it good to take up a BSc Agriculture and study. And what did you learn during those 3 or 4 years period? BSc Agriculture. What did you learn to see that the production of crops is increased? What are the steps a farmer should take to increase the production of the crops?
Sir, India is a farming-oriented country where farming is the most preferable occupation in our country. But nowadays, youth of our country is turning towards the IT sector and other sectors rather than farming. But in agriculture, we got a knowledge about the farming sector from improving our production and using imported technologies, etc.
Who is the Union Agriculture Minister?
Narendra Singh Tomar, sir.
Who is the Agriculture Minister in Maharashtra?
Maharashtra. Uh, I know, but at this point, I unable to recall his name of the first minister. Gopinath Munde, sir. Maybe. I'm not. If I'm not mistaken.
Anybody else from Maharashtra? Is he correct? Gopinath Munde, is he correct? Anybody else from Maharashtra? Nobody? Doesn't matter. You are going to Karnataka Bank.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell who is the MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank?
Sir, I have not done research yet. I'm just starting today. I
Acha.
mean, I'm
Tell me what is a savings bank account?
savings bank account is for marginal account holders where individual can open individual get facilities like interest rate on the savings. He can get a passbook, checkbook, and credit card also.
Credit card. Credit card or
No, sir.
debit?
Credit card is
Debit card.
debit card, sir. Debit cards. Debit cards.
What is the interest rate?
For what?
அல்ல ஒண்ணு வந்துச்சு செகண்ட் வரல என்னோடது வந்தது ஒண்ணு ஒரு நிமிஷம் மூடிட்டு சொல்றேன் ஒரு நிமிஷம் Okay. What was the question I was asking you? We were stuck up in which question?
You were asking interest rates on savings account.
Savings bank account rules. What is the interest rate offered by Karnataka Bank for savings bank?
At this
So
time, I don't know.
Yeah.
I have not studied a static data.
Oh, you have not studied about Karnataka Bank. You have studied about all other banks, correct?
No, sir. At this point, I have not collected any data about the banking. I am preparing it.
So
I
okay,
actually, I'm new in this sector.
your agriculture. Please tell me what is drip irrigation?
So drip irrigation is efficient way to provide water as compared to other irrigation systems. In drip irrigation, we are required to a pipeline where dripper from which from a water will be percolated in the soil at a small quantity and will be efficiently absorbed by the water, absorbed by the roots.
Can you name the central government scheme for drip irrigation?
Drip irrigation. Sir, I don't know uh, exact, but I do know the PM Krishi Sinchay Yojana.
Correct. Why do you say
This is
initially
irrigation.
why do you say initially I don't know? Instead, without telling
Because
that, you can tell me.
because the Krishi Sinchay Yojana is for irrigation, not a particularly for drip irrigation. That's why. And
Is it so?
I'm
Is,
little,
oh,
I don't
oh,
have many
oh,
fluency in English.
is it so? Krishi Sinchai Yojana.
Yojana.
Correct. Anybody else agriculture graduate is there? What is it PM Krishi Sinchai Yojana? I think it is only for a drip irrigation. Huh? Let me see in Wikipedia. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana is a national mission to improve farm productivity, ensure better utilization of resources. The budget 53 billion in a time span of, okay. Purpose is primary objectives are to attract investment, irrigation system at the field level and expand cultivable land in the country, enhance reach water, so on so. So yeah, I think what you say may be correct. That is, it is not necessarily drip irrigation, but it also includes probably drip irrigation also. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana for irrigation. What is the scheme started for organic farming?
Farming, sir. I don't know, sir. This thing, no.
Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana.
Yes,
Paramparagat
sir.
Krishi Vikas Yojana. What is the name of the scheme for minimum support scheme?
Sorry, sir. I don't know.
Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi. What is the name
Yes,
of
sir.
the
I know.
scheme?
I know.
What is the name of the scheme for crop insurance?
Pradhan Mantri Quick Bima Yojana.
No. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana.
Yes, sorry, sir. Fasal Bima Yojana.
What is ENAM?
I don't know the acronym.
ENAM means for online agri marketing. For online agri marketing. I am giving in the chat here itself. Please copy it. Others can also take it. It will be useful. It will be useful. I have to give this in our Karnataka Bank. Karnataka Bank. Karnataka. Yeah. I am giving that link here also. Okay. Thank you. When did you join our group?
Sir, today, sir, at 5 p.m. This is
Oh,
my
sorry.
first session.
It's okay, fine, no problem.
I
For
have
that,
never encountered this type of interaction with anyone in my entire life. This is the first time I'm
for that,
interacting with you.
for that you did very well. I am happy. Yeah,
Okay,
thank
sir.
you. Next, we will go to Sudhin Subhash. Sudhin Subhash, are you there with
Sir,
us now? Sudhin Subhash, you are appearing for which interview, which date? What is your degree?
sir,
What is your
I have
place?
already said,
You are completed.
yeah, sir.
Over today. Sorry, I do mistake. Do like this. Then we will go to Rohit Babu.
Good
Rohit
evening,
Babu.
sir.
Good evening, Rohit Babu. You are going for Federal Bank. I know because you are with me for so many days. Rohit
Yes,
Babu. So you are from which place?
sir. My native is in Kerala, Koravalangad. I'm currently doing my MSc in Physics at Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham, Coimbatore, and right now I am in my hostel at Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham, Coimbatore.
Very good. Can you please tell me um, what is the role played by banks in our economy?
Sir, basically, banks plays a major role in circulating money and controlling inflation in our economy.
Hmm.
Uh,
Will that
Currently,
will that be sufficient? You have been with me
bank,
for you have been with me for so many days. Huh? So many
sir.
days I have given you the material. Why did you not go through economics material? There are so many materials regarding economics. Should you not know? And in the chat GPT, I have posted. Yeah, I asked one day chat GPT the role played by banks for economy. That also you could have seen. That
Sir,
bank.
banks also takes investment from the peoples and they
Uh,
provide facilities like loans and they also provide facilities like locker, mutual funds, insurance, etc.
hmm. You can tell it still more better, still more better, still more better. Hmm? See, banks help people save money in the banks and also they give loans. By giving loans, they create more production, they give more employment opportunities that improves the economy of the country. Why should you not directly link it to that one? Understand? Banks
Okay, sir.
play the role of collecting money from people so that that can be invested in productive activities.
Okay,
And
sir.
banks are also helping in, say, remittance of money from one country to another country. In the matter of exports, they encourage exports. So that improves the balance of payment of our economy. Like that, you should extend and speak.
Okay, sir.
Ro- Next question for Rohit Babu. What is priority sector lending? You are not
Uh,
studied.
I, Sir, I'm not aware about it, but from the name, I understand that it's some priority based lending scheme.
Now, tell me one reason why you have not studied banking material till now. You have been with me for 15 days. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why you children are not studying? I know you are all hot pressed for time. You have your college exams also. Such people, I recommend at least 1 hour you devote in studying about banking, either from the Federal Bank website or from the Aperchit material or from Guidely material that is given to you. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Rohit, what is the
Sir,
total business position of our bank as on 30th September?
uh, sir, it's I'm not aware about that, but I'm sure it's in the range of 145 to 147 when we talk about share market.
Why should we talk about something else when I am asking about one thing? Please don't give such answers in the real interview.
Okay, sir.
If they ask you who is the Chief Minister of Karnataka, you say, I do not know the name Karnataka Chief Minister, but the Chief Minister of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan. If you speak like this, do you think they are going to give you marks?
No, sir.
Then what you should have done? Supposing I ask you who is the Nagaland Chief Minister and you don't know, what is the answer you can give?
I don't know.
That is far better.
Okay, sir.
That is far better. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Come on. How will you sell the water bottle on the table? Please try to sell. Imagine you are the marketing manager of the company making that water bottle. Maybe with water or without water, I don't know. Whatever way you want, you can take it up. Please sell it.
Sir, the primary objective will be to create a need if we have to sell it. I will set on to a location where there is which is enough at noon time or something like that, and I will sell it there.
Sorry, Rohit, totally wrong answer. Can anyone who has got good communication skill in English would like to market this? Come on. Can anyone, any girl? Some girls are normally good in talking and they can, but nobody has
Hello,
come
sir.
today. Yeah.
So
Please
this
try
is
to
Fatima.
sell the water bottle.
So first I'll explain its features. I'll tell them that this is durable and this can store good amount of water. This is easily carryable in your bags, and the plastic which is used for our uh, brand is recyclable. I'll also let them know that these have good features when compared to the other bottles in the market. Why should they choose this other than the others? And I'll tell them that this is equivalent to one of the best bottle brands such as Tupperware, and also it comes in a good price. I'll let them know that.
But instead of telling, I will tell this good features, you must speak out the good features of this bottle.
Okay, now I have to imagine and talk.
Yeah, that is what it is. And there is no guarantee they are going to ask only water bottle. They will ask you to sell a pen. They will ask you to sell a cell phone. They will ask you to sell a computer. Anything they can ask you to sell. They want to find out whether you have a good sales marketing skills. Are you in a position to request others? Are you in a position to talk to others in a pleasing manner? This is what they would like to find out. You must smile and talk. Understand? You should not talk with wrong face. You should talk with a smiling face. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Fatima, you are from, Acha, you are that NIT girl?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh God. ఏమమ్మా ఎలా ఉన్నావు బాగున్నావా
నేను బాగున్నాను సార్
అంటే వెరీ గుడ్ అంటే మీరు ఏం చదువుతున్నారు వాట్ ఈస్ ఇట్ యు ఆర్ స్టడీయింగ్
நான் MSc chemistry படிக்கிறேன்
MSc chemistry
integrated course. I'm in my
final year of integrated course. Good. Now can you please tell me some salient points you remember about Federal Bank?
Sir, is it a question for me or
yeah. Now it is a question for you. That boy's question is over. Rohit Babu, you have to study more. You have not prepared fully well. I know they are all Amrita College. They have got lot of examinations to come now and all that. You're all hard pressed for time. I understand that. But the questions I asked are not very tough ones, simple ones. And the one problem with some of us from Amrita, I'm not using one name, is that you lack confidence to speak in English. If you overcome that complex in your mind, try to speak well, you can succeed. At the same time, you must read more. Fatima, did you go through details about Federal Bank?
Yes,
Or
sir, I did.
yeah, please tell me.
Sir, Federal Bank is founded by Hormis sirs, and its headquarters is at Alua. It is the fourth largest in terms of capital base, and
Sorry,
mm,
capital based, there are 2, 3 versions. Somewhere they say it is 10th. So
yes, sir, but
don't commit yourself. Don't
okay,
commit
sir.
yourself. You say it is one of the leading private sector banks in the country and the
Okay, sir.
topmost in Kerala.
Okay, sir. I'll
All
note
this is
this.
facts. Yeah, continue.
Uh, and it has customers around, I think it's 16. No, no, no. Hold on,
1.66 crore.
1.66, yeah, sorry. 1.66 crores
Hmm.
and 1400, around 1400 branches,
Hmm.
1914 ATMs,
Hmm.
565 cash recyclers,
No.
uh,
Not
and
19 ATMs. 1350 ATMs, 540 something recyclers. Otherwise, you
five
can combine these two and say around 1900 ATMs and cash
ATMs and
recycler.
cash. Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
continue.
And the CEO is Shyam Srinivasan, sir.
Hmm.
And the employee count is around 14,000.
Hmm.
Total assets, I think it's 2.6
Wrong,
2.6 lakhs.
wrong. You are talking about tangible assets or something like that, but 26,000 and all. Doesn't matter. Fatima,
Total,
one
yes,
mistake I found in you is that you are unnecessarily getting into the sludge when you are aware that it is a sludge. In a sense, you don't
yes.
know that. Why are you talking about it?
There has
I
been a gap in my preparation, so I think
I have never asked you to go tell me about areas with which you are not familiar. I only wanted you to tell me whatever you are 100% confident. That is only I
yes,
wanted you to speak. So you should have touched only on the factors with which you are more certain.
okay, sir. I
Good.
get noting this.
Doesn't
It
matter.
is
You are
also known as one of the best workplace. It has been awarded by Great Workplaces of India. Uh, Recently, it is known as the best workplace for women,
that's correct. It's a factor.
and it's specially known for NRI banking.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Nearly
I shouldn't go with the figures. So yeah. Noting
nearly
all this.
15% of the total NRI deposits are from Federal Bank.
Yes,
So
sir.
many banks are there, hundreds of banks are there, but then
Hmm.
the 15% of that money comes only from
Federal bank.
Federal Bank. That's a peculiarity of this bank. That's right. Anyhow, your preparation is to be improved.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your date is not told, na? You have not been
That's
told
the
about it.
2nd of December. 2nd of December.
Ore
I
Baba.
got a break in the preparation. I'll get back.
Now start. I know you told you were not well and all. You were sick.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now
yes, sir.
start preparing seriously. Go
Yes,
through
sir.
the questions that are being asked, and
Yes, sir.
based on that, you can answer them very well. Okay.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next, I will go to somebody else. Who would like to volunteer now? Anybody volunteering? Raise your hand.
Me, sir, Raj Gupta.
Pardon?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Raise your hand.
So this is Arindam De.
Arindam De. Yeah. Arindam De. Arindam De and Abhishek also. Abhishek, did I not already ask questions to you? No. Today? I think I asked. Gokul is there now. We will come to you later. Yeah. Sufficient.
Talked about insurance.
Yeah. Sufficient now. Now I will go for some Arindam De. Arindam De, you are going for which interview?
Sir, Karnataka Bank.
Karnataka Bank. What is your degree? Which year do you completed your degree? What is your native place?
Sir, my degree is MSc Forestry. I have completed it in the year 2022, and my native place is Dhanbad, Jharkhand.
Jharkhand, acha. Now you will have a question. Why did you choose forestry?
So, from the very early in my life, I was interested more towards the nature. So I think I thought that forestry would give me that opportunity to explore myself more in the nature. That's why I have chosen.
Who is the minister in charge of forest in Jharkhand?
Sir, in Jharkhand, I'm not quite sure who is the.
In the country? In our country?
Sir, in country, Bhupender Singh.
Bhupender Singh. Can you tell me how much of land is under forestry in India?
Sir, it's around 24.67%.
In Jharkhand?
Say in Jharkhand, it is around 42 to 43%, sir.
42% forest. Are you sure? Excuse me. Are you sure
Sir,
that Jharkhand has got 42%?
no, sir, it would be less. I'm not quite sure.
Because your population is also very high, you know. How can you afford to give that much under this thing? Let me see. In fact, I don't know. Just now I got this idea.
So it would be for 20 to 30%, I think.
There is a material we are getting online. Please download that and read it. Jharkhand, the forests at a glance. 28th state of Union state of carved out of southern part of so and so. Out of the total population of so and so, the tribal population constitute 26%. They have influenced their ecosystem by varying practices. The rural population is quite high, constituting 76%. Urban population 24%. Survival of the majority of poverty stricken. Forest cover of Jharkhand 2001 or 3. It is some 28 or 29%. Are you seeing here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
2013 में क्या दिया है? 60 कम हो गया, 30% हो गया.
Yes, sir.
Here the non-forest nearing 30% हो गया. So you must know what are the various types of forests. You will have questions like this because you have taken forestry.
Yes, sir.
So आपको ये पूरा कागज पढ़ना पड़ेगा. I am giving this link in our WhatsApp page itself. Correct? Karnataka Bank, Idbi Bank. Correct?
Okay, sir.
I have given it there. I am also giving to you in our chat here so that you can take it immediately. I think that is a good page. You must go through that. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is your name? You said sorry.
Arindam De, sir.
Arindam De. What is your father?
Sir, my father is a retired central government employee.
Central government mean which department?
Sir, he was at IIT ISM Dhanbad.
Why don't you tell that? IIT Dhanbad and all. Good. When was IIT Dhanbad started?
Sir,
How many
sir, it is
IITs? How many IITs are there in our country? So this is how the interview will go. Where we are leaving, from there the interview will start. Okay. Best wishes.
sir.
Now you must have come to know how the interview will go, and sometimes it will be easy, sometimes it may be difficult. Today it was difficult for you.
Yes, sir.
We will go to Raj Gupta. Raj Gupta.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Raj Gupta. Which interview are you appearing? What is your degree? What is your year of completion?
Sir, I'm appearing for the Karnataka Bank PO interview. The interview is on 5th of December.
अरे भाई, तारीख भी बोल दी आपको? Very good. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
5th
what
of
is your
December
degree?
in
What is
Delhi.
your degree?
Sir, I have completed my master's in economics and I also have BCom in accountancy honors.
You are from
And
which
right
state?
now I'm living in, I am from Jharkhand, but right now I'm living in New Delhi.
In Delhi. Good.
Yes.
Excellent. Can you tell me what is inflation?
Sir, inflation is basically defined as the situation in which the general price level of the products are increasing at the same time the purchasing power of our currency is decreasing.
Good. What is the
Like the
current
situation
inflation level in our country last month?
Sir, I'm not very sure, but it is less than 5%.
4 point something. Anybody remembers that? I'm not remembering it. 4.07 or something. 87. How much is it? Anybody knows? I must have shared it earlier. Anybody remembers inflation as on? We will see it.
Sir, it is 5% in
No.
September.
वो कम हो गया. September
हाँ.
से in the month of October में थोड़ा कम हो गया.
4.81%, I think.
Very good. For inflation, India during October 2000, it is all the figure these people give in papers. That's all. 4.87. Super. Good. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
See
Thank you,
how
sir.
a non-economic student. What is your degree? That girl, tell me, Fatima.
Sir, I'm in chemistry, sir.
Chemistry. Yeah. How she can remember that and tell economics boy? So you must know all about economics. For economics people, invariably they will ask question. Name the famous economists from our country. Tell me.
Sir, it's Amartya Sen.
Okay.
Recently, sir, Claudia Goodwin has won the economics prize in the field of understanding of gender gap in the labor market.
Name some famous economists in India: Dr. Manmohan Singh, Amartya Sen, Raghuram Rajan, Aravind Subramaniam. So it happened like this. A candidate told like this. Immediately they asked, who is Raghuram Rajan? Can you tell me something about Raghuram Rajan? Yeah.
Yeah, sure, sir. It is our honorable former RBI governor. And he has published so many books on economy. Recently, he also have published a book, but right now I'm unable to recall the name of the book.
Good. In our day-to-day life, why Indian economy is important?
Sir, I must say economy is related to almost every part of our life. If you are purchasing any goods, uh, suppose inflation is high, we need to pay more. At the same time, we get a less and lesser value if the inflation is more high, sir. If we also say things that banking is directly correlated to economy, we also avail some services. It also become a part of economy as it is including monetary transaction, which is also going to help or any kind of contribution in the economy.
When is the budget presented? Union budget presented?
Sir, it is on 1st of February every year.
Now elections are taking place for assemblies in which states?
Sir, right now it is taking place in Chhattisgarh and sorry, sir, I'm unable to put the name.
Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Mizoram, Rajasthan.
Okay, sir.
Manipur or Mizoram, I don't know. Which one? Is it Manipur or Mizoram? Where is it being conducted? Others tell me. Anybody remembers?
It should be Mizoram, sir.
Mizoram only. Okay,
Mizoram.
good. Yeah. Now, Mr. Economist, you must go through this type of questions and get prepared.
Okay, sir.
Apart from certain economics oriented questions, what is minimum rent theory, this thing, that thing, they can ask you, but I don't know about them now. But this type of questions they ask commonly. You must know about the
Okay, sir.
top economists, especially Raghuram Rajan, then Manmohan Singh, then Amartya Sen.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. Sir, I have one question, sir. Can I ask?
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I have a work experience of 3 months in a DSA, 3 months in a DSA firm as a capacity of relationship manager. But because of the health condition of my elder brother, I have quit the job as on 25th of October. Also, I have mentioned the experience at the time of application. So my question is, how will I tackle and what I need to do because I have left the job.
Why did you mention that?
Because of the application itself came in the month of August. That time
It's okay.
I was in
It is
college.
okay. It's okay. Tell them that what was the nature of work you were doing, why you left
Mhm.
that job. You tell them correctly.
So the reason is, as I told you, the illness of my elder brother, and that time I need to prioritize him. That's why I need to leave the job.
True, it may be a valid 100% correct reason, but as an interviewing person, I will not be
Yes, sir.
satisfied.
Then what
I'm,
should I tell?
I am sorry to say, but there is no reasons. You can't cook a reason now for this.
Okay. So what could be a better, sir?
But
If
year after, whenever you apply for jobs, do not mention about that unless you have already enrolled in a NPS scheme, National Pension Scheme.
okay.
If you have enrolled, then only have you enrolled already NPS?
No, sir, no, sir. That time I was only getting enhanced salary, that no deduction PFA and other things. Sir.
Then don't mention about it. It's a sort of negative, to stay in a company only for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It's totally
Okay,
negative.
sir.
Thank you.
Okay, so that time I wasn't aware about such thing.
Yeah.
Will going to impact the chances of sir, correction or else?
Now you can't correct it. Now you
Yes,
can't
sir.
correct it, but tell them what you were doing there. Tell them you have to come out because of that. Or you can say, I wanted to prepare for bank exam, so I could not get sufficient time, so I resigned from that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I will close this with this.